Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about how to use find and replace using Ctrl H. Ctrl H is very useful to make changes of text or number or format without affecting file format. First, we reduce the space between words. Ctrl H. Two spaces are there between words, so to reduce it, just copy the space or press 2 times space bar, and then in replace press 1 time space bar, replace. Next one is name is misspelled or mistyped multiple times. For that, only this is wrong, so just copy this one, Ctrl H, paste it, you write proper name, replace it. For mass changes, just use Ctrl H, asterisk or multiply symbol, space, rows, just type full name, replace. In case if there is any spelling mistake within one word, we can trace it specific word. For that, Ctrl H, S, W, put question mark, E, again we can put question mark. Spelling mistake is, it is not sweaters, we want the word sweaters, so for that just type correct word, same text length should be there. In case one text is reduced, just kill this one. We can able to search sheet wise, column wise. Another interesting part is format. Once you fix format, only that part only it will search. Choose format, then I just type 3938, which is available here. It will not search because we have instructed to format wise searching. If I change 9891, then it will search. Based on format and number, we can able to do some modification in number or reconciliation purpose. It is very useful. We can able to search in comments. Nowhere we could find any comments here. Once we click it, then only we can able to see comments. Trace comments, just Ctrl H, find, I just type total, comments, find. This is very useful when we want to make changes in comments. We want to make some changes in formula, or we want to know formulas. For that, simply type any formula used there, then just search in formulas. we cannot find formula here because it is formatted. So clear find format, then you just find it. It is there. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day.